my eyes. No good at goodbyes. I feel your body burning on my mind. Still don't know why we let go. I'm trying to find a little closure. I guess we just need some time. But if you wanna come on over, baby, that's alright. Would you hate me if I pulled you closer? If only for another night. I'm trying, baby, but I just can't forget you. Can't stop, no, can't stop overnight. Can't stop when your heart is on the line. Can't stop, no, can't stop overnight. Can't stop when your heart is on the line. It's automatic. Waking up beside you like it's a habit. Don't know how it happened. We do this every time, it's just so classic. Still don't know why we let go. I'm trying to find a little closure. I guess we just need some time. But if you wanna come on over, well baby, that's alright. Would you hate me if I pulled you closer? If only for another night. I'm trying, baby, but I just can't forget you. Can't stop, no, can't stop overnight. Can't stop when your heart is on the line. Can't stop, no, can't stop overnight. Can't stop when your heart is on the line. Don't be capping, but what's happened? Cause I cross my T's and always dot my I's. Hitting 40 in a 25. Be prepared, it might just be a bumpy ride. I can't stop what I'm feeling, no. I wish it wasn't true. My heart drives what I needed. I don't know what to do. Too high, times I can't hold a about to happen? You ready? Let's tap in. Centerfold magazine.